Well, good afternoon all, and welcome back to my channel, and thanks for tuning in as always. As I always say, please subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can see all the new videos I upload. A couple of weeks ago, I now uploaded a video for my new 2024 BMW 4 Series, but they call it the 2025 model. Not sure why. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm not really sure why they call it that. Anyway, about a month ago, I still had my 2021 model 4 Series, and I did a video on the software. So I thought the iDrive software I'd go through in this vehicle and we do some comparisons. For sure, the software, the iDrive system in this vehicle, the digital displays are 100 times better. A lot clearer. But is everything as good as it's made out to be? And is it as good as the old software or the old iDrive system? Let's take a quick navigation around it. So the navigation itself, I found some problems with it. It's probably learning my routes, but my route to work and back, it's taken me some really random routes, and I'm having to fight it and take my own routes to get me where I need to get. However, as you can see, it's a fantastic size, really big screen, really good to look at. You can do full screen, and it's just really good. Also as well, where you get your speedometer, when you're using the sat navigation system, when you come up to a junction or a turning, you get the screen in front of you where it says BMW, where the BMW symbol is. It actually turns into a video camera and brings arrows up on the screen telling you which way to turn, which is really good. With regards to a lot of the functions and a lot of the apps, they're all in here. I haven't found a way to have any different display rather than the home display, which you can change some of these into different areas. You can't have like trip meters up or anything like that. You can only have these systems up, the app screen up, the phone screen up, or navigation system up. I haven't found a way where you can show it in different ways as of yet, but I'm still learning it. I've had the car for 2 weeks. Other things I've noticed is a lot of things on here are a lot easier to set up actually. You've got the Apple CarPlay, which is really good. You've got, sorry, my phone's not in the car, so it won't connect. You've got digital key in this one, so you can set up digital key, so I can actually use my phone, my watch, and a credit card, and it's really easy to set up. Ventilation system on this one, you're changing your ventilation by plus and minus here, or by speech. One thing I have found in here, that the speech on this car, when you're talking and asking it to do functions, it's a lot better than the 2021 model. It seems to learn your voice very quickly, and it seems to really sort of work immediately, where the other one, the 2021 model, was quite difficult. Another good function on here, it is actually in the other car, but it's not as easy distinguished. You can actually have a function in here where you go in here and you can set up automatic window function. So this basically means you can get activation points. So if you've got a barrier at the gate at work, or you go for a particular toll road, you can actually get the window to open as you pull up, and it will shut as you pull away, which is a really good function. Lazy, but it's good. But everything else app-wise on here is roughly the same. It's just the screen is a lot better, and everything is just clearer. I've got heads-up display on this as well. Heads-up display is okay, does everything you need to do. You'll notice down here some of the buttons are just like touch buttons now, so you haven't got your up and down ventilation, because that's obviously on your display here and in there. But basically the system down here, the iDrive system, basically that console is exactly the same, apart from the gear stick. You've just got a little lever for the gear stick, but apart from that, everything else is the same. But yeah, what more can I say? I mean, it's the new edition iDrive system. It's clearer, it's easier, it works better on the voice. The sat nav, when it comes through to your main screen via video, is brilliant. But is it dangerous? A couple of times I've been concentrating on that, looking at the cars in front, and yeah, I've had to look up and think, oh, I need to brake. So yeah, just be wary of that as well. But overall, the car and the new system itself, the iDrive system, is easier, better, clearer to use. And so it should be, you know, because they've worked on this model. The screen's a lot bigger and wider, goes all the way across now, where we just used to have a screen here before on the other one, you know. So everything is a lot better and a lot better, you know, better to use. Anyway, just a short video today just to show the iDrive system difference. I'm going to do a full review of this car, the 2024 model, against my old 2021 model when I get a bit of time. So probably about a week's time. Plus I want to get some more miles. I've only done 300 odd miles in this, so let me get the miles in first and then I can show you more. Anyway, as I said earlier, thanks for taking the time to subscribe and come and watch my videos. It helps me to do more videos. I don't get paid for this. It's my car. It's not been given to me to do a review on. It's my vehicle. All the vehicles I currently review are my vehicles. I'm happy to review vehicles if people want to lend me the vehicles to review, but this is my vehicle. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. Review to follow shortly. Turn your notifications on so you do not miss that review. Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.